Here's another theoretical example. Each student receives a 5-digit locker combination. What is the probability of receiving a combination with all odd digits? So step one, we want to determine whether the code is a permutation or a combination. So in this case, the order is important, so we want a permutation. Step two, find the number of total outcomes in the sample space. How many different ways can you do the combination? So you think about the first digit. Since there are 5 digits, I'm going to go ahead and put 5 placeholders. The first digit can add any number from 0 to 9, and that goes all the way throughout these 5 number combinations. So you have 10 choices here, 10 choices here, 10 choices, 10 choices, 10 choices. When you multiply all those numbers together, you get 100,000 outcomes. That is your sample space. Now we need to figure out, we want to know what would be the favorable outcomes. So remember how we wanted all of the digits to be odds? So now again we have a 5-number combination. We want just odds here throughout. So now we've eliminated half of the numbers. We can't have half of them, so we have now down to 5 choices for each of these. So now we multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and we get 3,125 favorable outcomes. All right, now we need to find the probability. So to find the probability that you will have all odds in your 5-number combo is your favorable outcomes, which there was 3,125 favorable outcomes out of your total sample space of 100,000. When you divide that, you can reduce it to 1 out of 32. So that is your probability. Now, probability can be written as a fraction, it can be written as a decimal, it can be written as a percentage.